What is happening?
My name is Kylee Zonker, and I teach 7th grade honors math at Madison Middle School. We've been building up to these two TEKS for the past 4 or 5 weeks. 8.4c, the student applies mathematical process standards to explain proportional and non-proportional relationships involving slope. The student is expected to use data from a table or graph to determine the rate of change or slope and y-intercept in mathematical and real-world problems. So in your partner groups today, what you will do is very similar to yesterday. You have 4 functions presented to you, and in those functions, you are going to find the slope or find that rate of change. The focus of this is taking that rate of change, and with those 4 functions, you're going to sort them from least to greatest. So we started by multiple weeks ago addressing the 7th grade level of slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And now over the past 2 or 3 weeks, we've been building up to really emphasizing finding the rate of change and addressing how that represents the steepness on graphs, or how that looks at tables with your y values and your x values changing.
If we want to talk about this in money, since we did have a money problem, this would be like losing $1 every hour. This would be losing 25 cents every hour. Which one are you losing more, the dollar or the quarter?
Dollar.
Right.
So today we took those multiple representations of those lines, of those linear relationships, and we sorted their slopes and their steepness, is what we call it as well, to see which one had the largest rate of change, the least rate of change, and just compared and contrasted all of these different formats of slope-intercept form.
I see most of our room put, about half of you put A as the least rate of change. What was the slope of A? Negative what?
1.
-1.
My whole goal is to really break down the concepts with hands-on activities.
But I would use this visual in Desmos. Zoom in as much as you need to zoom in.
Desmos is such a powerful tool because you're not just getting the equation or the table, you're seeing everything tie together. You can take that table, plug it into Desmos, and see a visual of what we're talking about. That way when they leave me for Algebra 1, they have a very solid understanding of linear relationships.